What if I told you your job could be on a secret list of 40 careers AI is about to replace? This isn't speculation anymore. The list is official, and even Amazon's CEO says half of all entry-level white-collar jobs could disappear in the next 5 years.
Unsettling news for a lot of people listening. In a message to employees, Andy Jassy, the CEO of Amazon, writing that the tech giant will need fewer people doing some of the jobs that are being done today and more people doing other types of jobs, and that Amazon will reduce its total corporate workforce in the next few years.
Imagine graduating, only to find AI already took your job. But here's the twist. While AI is wiping out careers, it's also creating brand new opportunities that no one talks about. So stay with me until the end, because you need to know both the jobs at risk and the skills that could save you. Let's start with the jobs you probably expected: customer service reps, telemarketers, call center staff. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't need breaks, and yes, it can fake empathy. I'm sorry to hear that. Creepy, right? Now imagine calling 911, and an AI picks up. Would you trust a robot in your worst emergency? Comment below. I'm curious where you stand. But this wave doesn't stop there. Think about ticket agents, hotel clerks, even restaurant hosts. Those self-check-in kiosks and QR code menus? They aren't just convenience, they're job replacements in disguise. Now here's where it gets scary. Jobs we thought were untouchable: writers, editors, journalists. AI now writes full novels, creates blog posts in seconds, and even fact-checks itself. Entire local newsrooms are downsizing because AI can churn out reports faster than any human. And here's a question. Would you read an article if you knew a robot wrote it? Or does it not matter as long as the story's good? Drop your take in the comments. Next, sales reps, PR agents, even teachers. Yes, teachers. Not kindergarten teachers. We still need humans to guide children. But business professors, econ lecturers? AI is already delivering entire lesson plans for free. No tuition, no $300 textbooks. In finance, it's the same story: clerks, brokers, personal finance advisors. AI builds your retirement plan in seconds and tracks your spending habits better than any human could. That Excel sheet you've been wrestling with for an hour? AI does it in 5 seconds. Done. And then we reach the unexpected. Historians, translators, geographers. Why? Because AI can read 500 years of archives in minutes, translate dialects perfectly, and predict climate shifts with scary accuracy. Even models. Yes, runway models. Companies are using AI-generated humans that don't age, don't complain, and work 24/7. Entire ad campaigns now feature people that don't even exist. Would you buy a product if the model on screen wasn't real? Or does it not matter anymore? Passenger attendants, political scientists, yep, even these roles are under fire. Airlines already test robot assistants. AI analyzes voter data and predicts elections better than pollsters. This isn't the future. This is right now. But before you panic, listen closely. While AI is replacing jobs, it's also creating new ones. Jobs that didn't even exist 5 years ago, but now pay 6 figures. The winners won't be the people fighting AI. They'll be the ones who use it as their tool, their unfair advantage. So my challenge for you is this: instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask, how can I use AI to do my job better? Don't be afraid of AI, make it your ally. Start learning tools, automate your routine, maybe even launch a side hustle. Because the real danger isn't AI, it's ignoring it. If you found this eye-opening, hit like so more people see it, and drop your opinion in the comments. Do you see AI as a threat or an opportunity? And don't forget to subscribe, because next time, I'll show you the AI skills that could literally future-proof your career.